In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add past invoices in QuickBooks Online. This walkthrough is perfect when you only have a few historical invoices to enter. Maybe you switched to QuickBooks mid-year, or you're catching up on a couple of missed bills. The goal here is to record those invoices so your accounts receivable, customer balances, and reports reflect the true history of your business. Start by heading to the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and clicking the plus New button. From the menu, look for the Customers column and choose Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form where you'll enter the original details from the past transaction. First, choose the customer from the drop-down. Make sure you select the existing customer record that matches the original sale so their balance and history stay accurate. Next, set the invoice date to the original date the invoice was issued. This is crucial. The invoice date controls which period the revenue appears in and how it shows up on your aging reports. So entering the true historical date ensures your books and past due balances are correct. QuickBooks will calculate the due date based on the customer's terms, but you can adjust it if needed to match the original invoice. Now fill in the line items. Under Product or Service, select the item that best represents what you sold at the time. Add the quantity, rate, and amount to match the original invoice. Use the description field to capture any useful context your team or the customer might need. If sales tax applied, make sure it mirrors what was charged originally. This is also a great moment to add the original invoice number in the invoice number field and include any reference notes so your records are consistent and easy to trace. When everything looks right, choose Save and Close if you're finished with this invoice, or Save and New if you're ready to enter another past invoice right away. Saving updates the customer's balance immediately and places the invoice in the correct historical period, which keeps your reports accurate for audits, reconciliations, and cash collection. Repeat the process for each historical invoice you need to record. Take your time to verify dates, amounts, and line items so your numbers tie back to the original documents. With a few careful entries, you'll have your accounts receivable history complete and your QuickBooks reports reflecting the real story of your business.